Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make bar chart by using R programming. A bar chart represents data in rectangular bar with length of the bar proportional to the value of the variable. So here we need to use bar plot function to create bar chart. So R can draw both vertical and horizontal bars in the bar chart. So let's have a look the syntax to create a bar chart in R. So for bar chart we need to use bar plot function. So in bar plot function the parameter R, we need to first mention the data. After that we need to mention the label of x-axis, xlab, okay. Then we need to mention the label of y-axis, ylab. Then figure, title of this figure. After that we need to give name of the each column. So for that we need to use the parameter as names dot arg. So this name dot arg parameter, it stores the name of the each bar, and finally color, for giving the color of each bar. So this is the syntax of bar plot function. Let's try with example. So in watershed hydrology, generally the rainfall data is represented by bar chart. So in this video we will draw monthly rainfall variation for a particular year by help of bar chart. So let's say my rainfall data is equal to 18, 23, 29, 24 and 10. So this is the rainfall amount during monsoon season. So you can see here cross section, cross mark is there, so which indicates there is a error in this line. So you can see there are more than one element is present in this variable rainfall data. So I need to use C function, okay. So now you can see this red cross mark is gone. So this is my rainfall data. Next I need to mention the name of the month. So month data is equal to, so first monsoon month is June, then July, then August, then September. I have made some mistake here. And finally the month October, okay. So all this value is given. So this is my y-axis value and this is my x-axis value. Using this value I need to create one bar chart of rainfall variation. So we'll replace this one data by rainfall data. Our xlab is rainfall, sorry, this one is our y-axis title, and x-axis label is month. and figure name is rainfall variation. Rainfall variations in monsoon season. Then I need to give next parameter value, that is name dot arc. So this is the basically the value of x-axis. So this will be equal to month. Let's give color as gray. We can add the border color of this bar also. So for that parameter is border. So let's say border color is red. So I have given all this value and we have replaced all this default parameter by actual value. So let's execute this code. So my data is successfully stored. Now this one. So you can see, so this is my bar chart. So these are the levels of x-axis, that is June, July, August, September, October, and this is our y-axis, that is rainfall, and it varies from 0 to 25. So you can see our maximum value of rainfall is 29. So for that we can use another parameter as y lim. Okay, that is y limit is equal to let's say 0, 30. So our y-axis will show from 0 to 30. Let's execute this one. So you can see now our y-axis value varies from 0 to 30, and x-axis title is month, y-axis title is rainfall, and figure name is rainfall variation in monsoon season, and each bar color is gray color and border is red. So this is the command was given in the script. Color is gray, border as red. So this is the limit of y-axis. This is the chart name or figure name. So this is the y-axis data, and this is our x-axis data. Okay, now we are interested to save this file. So to save this file we need to use png function. So in png function we need to give the file name bar chart dot png. In last line we need to write ref dot off. So let's execute complete code once again. So my code is successfully executed. So now we will see whether this file is there or not in our current working directory folder. So you can see one file is created, that is barchart.png. So this is the bar chart. So this is the way to make bar chart by using R programming. You can customize this bar chart according to your requirement. Thank you for watching this video.